Meteorologist Mark Prater is tracking that line of storms.
Could be bumpy tonight for some of us.
Yeah, it could be mainly our northern tier of counties, but we have a couple of things that are in place right now that would really help to protect a good portion of our viewing area from having to deal with much in the way of severe weather. But the National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm watch, and it is in effect until 10 o'clock tonight, and it is all the counties you see highlighted there. And it does include Jefferson, as well as Walker, St. Clair, Etowah, Calhoun, Cleburne, Cherokee, Coleman, Winston, Marion, back over into Fayette, as well as Lamar counties. Now, again, this is until 10 o'clock, but these storms that are headed in our direction are moving so fast that it will likely be out of here before that watch has a chance to expire. Our storm track radar shows no rain across central Alabama right now. As a matter of fact, there's plenty of sunshine, as we saw just a few moments ago with Teddy Mack. He's out there actually on 59, and there's plenty of sun. A few passing clouds, but he is headed towards Gadsden as the main core of these stronger storms. According to our model data and a lot of our estimates that we've been putting together through the day today, that will be the best potential for any thunderstorms really having a big impact in a widespread area. This is the line of storms. I just tweeted this out about maybe 30 seconds ago before we started the weathercast, but you'll see this line stretches all the way over to Jackson, Tennessee, down into northern Mississippi. While this doesn't look that bad, keep in mind, this is a very fast-moving line, and that has a lot of energy with it. So that's pushing the air in a hurry, and that, of course, helps push winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Now, something else to point out, these thunderstorms here are actually on the eastern half of this wave as it's diving towards the south. Very hefty thunderstorms now west of Lawrenceburg, Tennessee. That's about to cross into Alabama. And I plotted the times earlier, but I wanted to give you a reference as far as what we're looking at distance-wise. Now, from Gadsden, we're looking at 92 miles. Figure in roughly 60 to 65 miles per hour how fast some of these storms are moving. We're talking an hour and a half. Then Coleman, 97 miles, 140 miles from Birmingham, and then from Hamilton, we're looking at about 78 miles. But this high pressure, which is across central and west Alabama, is a big boulder in the atmosphere. So anything that runs into it will start to die off quickly. Doesn't mean that we won't have enough energy to push through here and knock a few things around and certainly have hefty thunderstorms, but our northeast counties aren't quite as affected by the high pressure as central and west Alabama. Still very hot out there, so for the next hour or two, plan on that. And a look at our storm track futurecast. Here is the timing. Coleman, you'll start to see the storms at about 7. Just north of Gadsden up towards Collinsville, we'll have the storms. This dives towards the south. It does move through Jasper, back into Birmingham, as well as Anniston. By this point, though, a lot of the energy will be used up. Doesn't mean we won't have stronger storms, but certainly bears watching. Then the showers begin to wrap up by 11 o'clock. So as I mentioned, this is a very fast-moving system. It will be in town and out in a hurry, and then we're back to our routine of scattered afternoon thunderstorms. And it's going to be hot this week. Plan on temperatures into the upper 90s. Heat index values, again, a major problem right